Hi everyone. Today I want to show you our brand new Wemo Wi-Fi Smart Bridge. This is a brand new product. We just got it today in the mail. It works with the Apple HomeKit, so it's compatible with the Wemo, all the Wemo products. You can use your iPad, your iPhone, or iPod Touch with this product. Okay, let's take a look. So that's what the box looks like. Inside, so we have the quick start guide and the Wemo bridge, looks like that. And then of course the USB cord and the adapter. Alright, so that's everything that's inside. I'll show you how to set it up. Okay, so I have everything here to set up the Wemo bridge. Just to let you know, we have a restore button right here, so should you have any problems you can reset. And then right here you have the LED light. So first we're going to plug in the Ethernet cord to the back of the router. Okay, and from there you can plug into an outlet. So we're going to wait for it to blink orange and white. That's what we're waiting for. So it's starting to blink just white. Give it a couple more seconds. All right, there we go. It's now blinking orange and white. So all we need to do is go to our iPad or iPhone and you go to the home button. So I'm going to hit the home button, add accessory, and I'm going to scan the code that is on the back of your guide. There you go. All right. So now we select the Wemo bridge. It's adding. Okay, the Wemo bridge has been added. Identify accessory. That's correct. Okay, next. Default room, you can just change this as you want. Go to the end here. Done. All right. Okay, so now we're going to give it a try. So we're going to turn on this light right here and turn it off. And then I'm going to use Siri. Hey Siri, turn on 1. Hey Siri, turn off 1. So it works. It responds really fast. Everyone, thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video.